Now we see our next problem, exercise 12.1, problem number 3. Maximize z equal to 5x plus 3y. Maximize z, maximum value of z you have to find here. So now, subject to constraints also they are given here. Subject to constraints, 3x plus 4y is less than or equal to 15. 5x plus 2y is less than or equal to 10. These two are non-negative constraints. Non-negative constraint. That means the total common region or feasible region in only first quadrant. This meaning. So we will use that in a graph. So first our points is there. By point 5, if you are remember means that will be easy. Solution. First one, first point, conversion. Conversion, what we have to convert? The linear inequalities convert into linear equations here. So what are the 3x plus 4y equal to 15, and one more equation is 5x plus 2y is equal to 10. No need to do this one. Only the two inequalities convert into equations. So now next draw the one box. Here also draw the box for the points purpose. So now x value substitute here and y value. X value, y value. X value substitute 0. X value substitute 0 means 5y equal to 15. 5y equal to 15 means y equal to 3. Y value 0 substitute. 3x equal to 15. 3x equal to 15 means 3 5s are 15. X value is 5. X value is 5. Here also x value substitute 0. 2y equal to 10. 2y equal to 10 means y equal to 5. Next x is 0. Sorry, y is 0. 5x equal to 10. 5x equal to 10. 5x equal to 10 means x equal to 2. X equal to 2. The points are here. 0, 3 is a 1 point, 5, 0 is another point. Here this side points is 0, 5 and 2, 0. Always write vertically, don't take horizontal. So next, this one completed. By this one we have to write down the scale. Second point, scale. Scale x-axis. X-axis 1 centimeter equal to, here you see very small numbers is there, so that's why I'll take 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Next one, y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Same to same I am taking. So now, and next point, third point is shading region. Shading region towards origin or above, excluding origin. Knowing purpose we will do this one. So now you see here, first of all I will draw the graph here. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. This point we know origin O0, 0, and now I am plotting the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now, first you take the first equation points. First equation points is 0, 3. X value 0, y value is 3. So that point. So this point is 0, 3. I am writing this point. Next point is 5, 0. X is 5, y is 0. X is 5, y is 0. So this point is 5, 0. So now you join the 2 points by the line. So this equation is 3x plus 5y equal to 15. 3x plus 5y equal to 15. So now shading region also finish here only. Shading region purpose here I'll take inequation. What is the inequation? First inequation, 3x plus 5y is less than or equal to 15. So now substitute 0 comma 0. 0 plus 0 is less than or equal to 15. It is true. I am finishing that second inequality also. 5x plus 2y is less than or equal to 10. Put 0 comma 0 implies 0 plus 0 is less than or equal to 10. That is also true condition. So now shading region, both places shading region towards origin, otherwise including origin. So now you shade the region. First equation, shading region, this is. So now next one we have to make here 0 to 5. 0 to 5. First point is 0 comma 5. 0 comma 5. This point is 0 comma 5. Next point is 2 comma 0. 2 comma 0, here you will get, this is 2 comma 0. 2 comma 0. Join these 2 points by the line. Now what is the line equation? Line equation, 5x plus 2y equal to 10. 5x plus 2y equal to 10. Shading region including or towards origin. Towards origin. So now common region. Common region means that red color lines and blue color lines where intersection part is there. Common is there. That is a feasible region. But this constraints is there. This constraints compulsory lies in first quadrant. For that purpose, I will shade this one again. In first quadrant, only first quadrant, this part is there. This is called a feasible region. Feasible region. Now the corner points of the feasible region 0 comma 0, 2 comma 0. This is also one point, 2 comma 0. And this point we have to find. This point is 0 comma 3. So now this point by the graph you observe here 1 and 2 middle value is there. There is no perfect value. So this position we have to solve the two equations. Solve the two equations. What are the equations here? Here equation, first equation 3x plus 4. I'll take this equation 1, this one equation number 2. I'll solve the two equations. You observe here, here 5 is there, here 2 is there. So first equation multiply with 2 minus second equation multiply with 5. Anyway we can do this simplification. So now you take here multiply with 2 means 6x plus 10y equal to 15 2s are 30. Second equation multiply with 5. 5 5s are 25x plus 10y equal to 50. Subtraction making, signs will be changed. These two get cancelled. Y's get cancelled. Here minus 19x. Minus 19x minus 20. X equal to 20 by 19. X equal to 20 by 19. Next one, y value we have to find here. So that purpose, any one equation x value substitute. 1 implies 3 into 20 by 19 plus 5y equal to 15. This value 5y equal to 15 minus 60 by 19. 60 by 19. 60 by 19. If you are simplifying, total simplification if you are making, y value you will get 45 by 19. 45 by 19. So this point is 20 by 19 comma 45 by 19. Only two problems in this divided by you will get fraction form, rational numbers you will get. Remaining problems will get the direct proper numbers, integers you will get. This problem and next fourth problem also like this only you will get. So this is the point O, this is point A, this is point B, another point is C. So that are the corner points. Now you write down here fourth point, corner points of bounded feasible region are, what are the boundary points here? O 0, 0 is a one boundary point, A is 2, 0 another boundary point, B is 20 by 19, 45 by 19 is another boundary point, and last boundary point, corner point is C. C is 0, 3. So these are the corner points. So now you have to find the optimal solution. Optimal solution. This one you can take as a rough work. This one rough work. Don't write in graph. Rough paper you can make this total. It won't carry the marks also. So now optimal solution. Here I am writing here fifth point. Optimal solution. Optimal solution. Corner points z equal to 5x plus 3y. 5x plus 3y. So now you draw the box for this one. Corner points 0, 0. If you are substituting 0, 0, z value is 0. Next corner point is 2, 0. Z equal to how much will get? 2 substitute in place of x. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 0 is 10 only. You will get. Next corner point B 20 by 19. 20 by 19. 45 by 19. If you are substituting in place of z, total simplification you have to make here. Total simplification if you are making 235 by 19 you will get. Next last corner point here. The last corner point C 0, 3. 0, 3. Z value is 0, 3. 3 3s are 9 you will get. So now which is the maxima is? Here maximum value is asking. So maximum value is 235 by 19. This is the maximum. Maximum. So final conclusion you have to write. Therefore maximum value of Z is 235 by 19 at the point 20 by 19, 45 by 19. You have to write final conclusion. So this is the way of finding the maxima Z by using the graph. Point wise if you are writing it will be easy, and this simplification part you do in rough paper, don't do in graph. And the continuation you have to, and this theory part is where this theory part total line side you have to write. Graph side lines will be there, rules is there, in that one you write. And this one on graph sheet green color it will be there you have to draw this one. So pause the video to note it down. Now exercise problem number 4. Minimize Z equal to 3x plus 5y. Subject to two constraints are given. The two constraint greater than or equal to is there, and these x comma y is greater than or equal to 0 means that is a non-negative constraint. So solution is, first of all, conversion. First point is conversion. So how to do the conversion? Inequations write as a equations. Draw the boxes. Draw the two boxes separately. And now substitute the points. X equal to 0 substitute in this equation. X equal to 0 substitute. Y equal to 1. Y equal to 0 substitute. X equal to 3. X equal to 0 substitute. Y equal to 2. Y equal to 0 substitute. X equal to 2. So the points are here. 0 comma 1 is 1 point. 3 comma 0 is another point. And next one here this side 0 comma 2, 2 comma 0 are the points. So by this one you have to write down the scale. Number 2 scale. X axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit I am taking. Very small numbers is there, so 1 unit I am taking. Y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So now next shading regions. We need the shading region or shading side also we can write it. Shading region. Take the inequalities. First inequality x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 3. Put 0 comma 0. 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 3. False. Statement is false. Why? Because 0 is less than 3. Next, x plus y is greater than or equal to 2. Put 0 comma 0. That implies 0 plus greater than or equal to 2. This is also false statement. Statement is false. So now you draw the graph here. This point is 0 comma 0. This is x axis, y axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now plot the points here. 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1 is 1 point. This is the 0 comma 1. And 3 comma 0. x3, y0. This point is 3 comma 0. So now you join the 2 points by the line. This line equation is x plus 3y equal to 3. Shading region above the line, otherwise excluding 0 comma 0. Downside if you are drawing including 0 comma 0 you will get. False statement is there. Excluding 0 comma 0 you have to draw the shading region above the line otherwise. This one first equation, first shading region also completed. Next second one 0 comma 2. 0 comma 2 point is this one 0 comma 2. X axis 0, y value is 2. Next 2 comma 0. 2 comma 0 is here. 2 comma 0 point. Now you join the 2 points by the line. This is the one line equation. That line equation is x plus y equal to 2. Shading region above the line. Shading region above the line. So now common region. Now common region bounded by the all constraints. Bounded by the all constraints. So what is a common region here? Common means red color lines and blue color lines combination where it is there, and in that first quadrant only. Only first quadrant. Here also you will get this is also, but only first quadrant you will get like this equation. Common region. this total is common region only above. This is feasible region. Feasible region. For that purpose, here intersection point is that this point we know 0, 2, and another point is 3, 0 also we know. It will continue that one. It will continue that one. So this intersection point we have to find by solving the equation 1 and equation 2. Solving 1 and 2. 1 minus 2 I am making. First of all, 1 minus 2 if we are making x plus 3y equal to 3, x plus y equal to 2. Subtraction making, cancel 2y equal to 1, y equal to 1 by 2. Y equal to 1 by 2. Substitute in equation 1. X plus 1 by 2 equal to 2. X equal to 2 minus 1 by 2. That is 3 by 2. So the point is 3 by 2. This point is 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2 will get. Next, the corner points you have to write here. The corner points are comma 0 is a one corner point, 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2 is one corner point, and 0 comma 2 is the another corner point. So here corner points of feasible region are point A I am taking as a 3, 0, point B 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. The corner points here, you observe this is also one corner point, this is also one corner point, here also one corner point. Feasible region, corner point, intersection points of the two constraints are lines. Next, C point is 0 comma 2. This is unbounded feasible region. Bounded feasible region, previous problem. This is unbounded feasible region. So now next you have to find here optimal solution. Fifth point, optimal solution. Draw the box. Corner points. Corner points here. First point is 3, 0. Second point is 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Third point is 0, 2. Z is equal to 3x plus 5y. If you are substituting here x value 3 3s are 9. Next, Z is equal to, substitute here 3 into 3 by 2 plus 5 into 1 by 2. If you are making simplification, 14 by 2 you will get. 3 3s are 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is 14 by 2. That is 7 answer you will get. Next here, x equal to 0, y equal to 2. That means 10. Y equal to 10. So what is the minimum value here? Is asking minimize Z. So minimum. Therefore, the minimum value of Z equal to 7 at point 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So this is the way of finding the problem. Unbounded also same to same is how to make here. Pause the video to note it down. Now, problem number 5, exercise problem number 5. Same to same problem is there. Maximize Z you have to find by the subject to constraints. That previous problem, similar problem, that problem take as a homework, that problem number 5. Now, exercise problem number 6. You have to find the minimize Z subject to constraint, and one more condition is that show that the minimum of Z occurs at more than 2 points. More than 2 points, minimum value it will exist. That we have to show here. Solution, first of all, conversion. Conversion. Inequations convert into equations. 2x plus y equal to 3. X plus 2y equal to 6. Draw the box. Substitute the x and y values here. X equal to 0, y equal to 3 you will get. Horizontally you have to write y is 0, y is 0. X equal to how much you will get? Y is equal to 0. X equal to 3 by 2 you will get. X equal to 3 by 2. Next point. X is 0, substitute. Y is equal to 3. 2y equal to 6, y equal to 3. Y is 0, x equal to 6. So the points are here. 0, comma 3 is the 1 point. 0, comma 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is nothing but 1.5 also we can write. No problem that one. So now here 0, comma 3 is the 1 point. 6, comma 0 is another point. So now by this one, scale how we will take? Scale x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit I am taking. Same y-axis also 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Now shading region purpose. Shading region. In equation 1, 2x plus y is greater than or equal 0, greater than or equal to 3 here. Put 0, comma 0 point here. That implies 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 3. False statement. Next, in equation number 2, 2y is greater than or equal to 6. Put 0, comma 0 implies 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 6. This is also false statement. 0 is less than 6 always. So false statement, false statement. So shading region above the line, excluding 0, comma 0, it will be there. So now you see the graph here. This point is O 0, comma 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 I am taking. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. So now, first one 0, comma 3. X is 0, y is 3. Next, 1.5. 0, sorry, this one we have to write here. 1.5, comma 0. 1.5, comma 0. X is 1.5, y is 0. So this point is 1.5, comma 0 I am taking. So now you join the 2 points by the line. This is a line equation of 2x plus y equal to 3. So now shading region excluding 0, comma 0, that is above the line. Next one, 0, comma 3 is the 1 point. 0, comma 3, same point that one. And 6, comma 0 is another point. 6, comma 0. This point is 0, comma 3. So now shading region above the line. Shading region above the line. If we are extending this one. So what is the shading region or bounded feasible region? Here you observe this is not common. Only in first quadrant what is the common part is there. What is the common part means here. This total you will get. This black line is the boundary points of feasible region. Feasible region. Unbounded feasible region. So what are the corner points, intersection of two lines here? This is one corner point and this is also one corner point here. So what are the corner points here? I'll write here fourth point. Corner points of feasible region are point A I am taking as a 0, 3, point B taking as a 6, 0. Fifth point is optimal solution. Optimal solution, point A 0, 3, point B 6, 0. Corner points z equal to, question is x plus 2y. Substitute here 0 plus 6 equal to 6, z equal to 6 plus 0 equal to 6. So these only minimum values. Both same values getting, so that is on the minimum values. So next one here, the 2 points, minimum value of z more than 2 points, more than 2 points. So now you take in this line any point if you are substituting. For example, this point I am taking here 2, 2, this point on the line 2, 2. On line, any point you take, any point, just your understanding purpose only, 2, 2 substitute, put z equal to 2 plus 2 into 2 is 6. So again you are getting minimum value. Therefore, final conclusion, the minimum value of z equal to 6, z equal to 6 at more than 2 points, at more than 2 points. Any point substitute on that line, you will get answer 6 only. So minimum value is 6 at more than 2 points. Here feasible region, this one. This black making is the feasible region. Total, upside total is it. Unbounded feasible region. So this is the problem number 6. So pause the video to note it down.